Making a navigation bar sticky in Framer can be done using either fixed or sticky positioning, depending on the effect you want. The first method is fixed position, which is recommended if you want the navbar to remain visible at all times. Select your navigation frame or component from the layer list, then in the Styles panel under Layout, set the position to fixed. Use the anchor icon to pin it to the top of the page, and set the distance to 0. To ensure the navbar appears above all other content, give it a high z-index, like 100 or 999. This method keeps the header permanently visible while scrolling, and it is removed from the normal page flow, so other elements can pass underneath it. The second method is sticky position, which makes the navbar scroll normally until it reaches a defined point, then it sticks. Select the navbar and change the position to sticky in the right panel. For sticky mode to work, the parent container, and often the whole page, must have overflow set to visible, otherwise the effect won't activate. Then set the stopping distance, usually 0, so it locks at the top of the viewport once reached. Unlike fixed, a sticky navbar stays in the normal flow of the page until it sticks, creating a more dynamic scrolling effect. In summary, fixed is best for always-on headers that stay visible from the start, while sticky works for navbars that appear to stick only after scrolling past their original position. Each method has its requirements and gives slightly different behaviors, so choose based on the desired user experience.